Remember the days when shopping meant a trip to the local bazaar, where the art of bargaining was just as important as the purchase itself? But soon, convenience took center stage. Malls brought everything under one roof, and with it, the rise of impulsive shopping. Flipkart and Amazon logos on a smartphone screen. Then came the digital revolution. Platforms like Amazon and Flipkart turned our living rooms into shopping aisles, offering everything from gadgets to groceries delivered right to our doorstep. Zepto, Blinkit logos, and delivery riders. And just when we thought shopping couldn't get any faster, Q-commerce entered the scene. Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy Instamart delivering essentials in under 30 minutes. Convenience redefined. E-commerce versus Q-commerce. But here's the real question. Who's winning this retail war? Amazon versus Flipkart. Visual with logos. Amazon India is betting big on Prime loyalty and premium products, while Flipkart leads the charge in fashion and dominates Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities with its hyperlocal strategies. Flipkart, 844 com revenue, 50M monthly users. Amazon India, 406 com revenue, 40M users. But lurking in the shadows, Q-commerce platforms are stealing attention. In this $345 billion market, speed is no longer a luxury. It's an expectation. The future? It belongs to those who blend e-commerce's vast reach with Q-commerce's lightning speed. Because in India's retail landscape, the fastest, the smartest, and the most local will win the consumer's heart. What's your take? Is India ready for this hybrid retail future?